Hello dear traders, welcome to InstaForex TV channel. You are watching a weekly link up with me, Kate Stichina. We are going to discuss the ongoing situation in Forex with the technical analyst Peter Yakimovic and forecast further moves of popular currency pairs. Let's begin our link up today with the most popular currency pair, euro-dollar. Again, trading sentiment on Forex mainly depends on political developments. For example, the US dollar rallied in the context of the trade dispute between the United States and its trade partners. In contrast, the euro slumped as investors expressed concern that the financial crisis in Turkey could entail a crash of some European banks. No wonder the euro-dollar pair is closing this trading week in the red. Hi Peter, do you think the euro will extend its weakness against the greenback next week?
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, I found according to the daily time frame, there is a descending triangle about the 1 month duration, and most recently the price did a successful breakout of the support of that descending triangle. So the price is also trading below the 200 simple moving average, which is another sign that basically the long-term money is bearish on this currency pair. Now my advice basically to watch for a rally before you sell, but projected target according to this pattern is set the price to 1.1170. So this is a projected target based on the descending triangle that I found most recently according to a daily time frame. So watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair.
Another popular European asset, the pound sterling, is also trading under pressure. The British currency has been wound down by a looming unfavorable scenario. The UK could exit from the European Union without keeping ongoing terms of the trade agreement. From the technical viewpoint, what prospects do you foresee for the pound-dollar pair?
On the British pound versus US dollar, I found a broken support trend line. And this support trend line is basically from the downward channel. Since the price, the buyers didn't have power to react to this support, the sellers got a very big power and they took this support. So now my focus is basically set around the target of 1.2500. This is basically also a round number, so pay attention to this level, and this can be also a good level for take profit if you plan to sell this currency pair. So again, my advice to watch for selling opportunities. Price is also trading below 200 simple moving average, so long-term money is also on the bearish side. So watch for selling opportunities.
Despite beyond demand for the US dollar as the most yielding and safe asset, the yen clinched a victory over its American rival this week. Is the dollar-yen pair set to continue its decline?
On the USD versus Japanese yen, I found an interesting situation there because the price is about to test the 200 simple moving average, which will act like support. But what I also found is basically a potential running flat type of the bearish correction. So there is an upward channel, and the running flat is potentially active on this currency pair. I also found the breakout of the, let's say, the 10-day supply trend line, which is a good sign that buyers may recontinue buying this currency pair. So watch for buying opportunities. The upward target is set the price of 112.05. This is based on the previous price action according to your daily time frame. And also the second upward target is set at the price of 113.10. Also, target is based according to the price action and according to the swing high I found on the daily time frame. So watch for selling opportunities on the USD versus Japanese yen.
This week, risky assets lost favor with investors, so the Australian dollar closed the week with losses. What trading decision is better for the short term, to buy or sell the Aussie?
On the Australian dollar versus US dollar, I found the 1 month rectangle pattern, and the breakout, I found a successful breakout support this rectangle pattern. So my advice to watch for selling opportunities, and the downward target is set the price of 0.7135. Also the price trading below 200 simple moving average, and the long-term money is on the bearish side. So watch for selling opportunities.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations. See you next week. You have watched the link up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Kate Stichina, and Peter Yakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trade and see you soon.